Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play Monoposto Multiplayer with friends. So let's start. This is our tips for doing this, and when you select online multiplayer you can choose the quick clip jump into a random game, or you can find and play with people in your friend list. To play with friends, all you need to first join an online match. The easiest way to do it is go to online, create match, and you can choose public, anyone including strangers can drop into your game. Private, online people in your friends list can drop into your game. Once you have set up a match and are in the lobby, your friends can join. Now, to join your friends who are already online match, go to online, find friends. After you pick your vehicle, you can list of any friends you are currently playing and join your game. So that's how you can do it, guys. The game you can start join to your friends and online, or friends who are public you can start join to the game. But first you have to check if you want to public or private your play. Okay, so that's the way, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.